Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. First things first, what we're going to do is we're going to forget and re-add the same network. So let's go over to connections. In the connections, we should have Wi-Fi. And we want to simply forget our network. But before that, we can also try turning off Wi-Fi, turning it on. Now we are connecting to the network. Let me just quickly click on the gear icon, click forget. Now what are we going to do is we're going to connect to the same network. Of course, I have to forget every single network that was connected here. And now I'll choose this network. We're going to enter the password. And once we enter the password, we're going to click on connect. We should be connected. If not, then what you guys want to do is go over and click here on the three dots. Here, make sure that you enable turn Wi-Fi on automatically. Also here you have some conditions. You can add the networks like yours. And also here, if you have switched to mobile data, I would recommend using it for the first. You can try. And also now what you guys want to do is leave it. What are we going to do next is we're going to go and reset our settings. So we're going to go to the general management. From here, we want to scroll down to reset and click on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. We're going to click reset settings. And as you guys can see, they are reset. We did that. And now, as a last resort, we're going to update our software. So go to software update, click check for updates, and make sure that you're on the latest version. It's very important because old versions tend to have a lot more glitches in them than the latest ones. That's why we want to update our software. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then simply update it. Now, of course, make sure to bring back your network again after the reset. And that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.